Hey friends, if you wish to fix load library failed error 87, the parameter is incorrect on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. Here's what we have to do. Actually, it's a DLL error. So open your browser and search for Microsoft C++ redistributable. Now go to the Microsoft Learn page. Now scroll down and you'll find the x64 version here. x86 is for 32-bit computers, x64 is for 64-bit computers. So I'll click on this one. It will download and I'll straight away click on open. I'll wait a few seconds, up to a minute, till the launcher opens. And once the launcher opens, I will install the Microsoft C++ distributable package here. If I have the install button, and if I do not have it, I will have the repair button, so I'll repair it. Okay. So this should solve the problem, but if it does not, then the next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.